Hey guys, today we are going to replace the keypad rubber cover and the keychain mounting point from the plastic one to the metal one. As you can see, this has some wear on it. I already replaced those two parts in this one, so as you can see, this looks fresh and almost like new. So I bought this let's call it beauty kit on AliExpress. There are links in the description below this video if you want to buy one, and let's get to it. I had some trouble with this little screw. I had to make the incision over here just to be able to drive it with a flat screwdriver, which is much more secure than torx in this situation. Okay, so those two parts are replaced. Now all I need is to close it. And that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial. Check my other tutorials about Volkswagen and other brands and subscribe for future videos. See you soon.